It's still flooded. Still flooded, but it's going on. There's Mummy, let me just see. There's Mummy standing there. Oh, you can't see her actually, but let's go in.
Yeah, we're not allowed.
Whoa, over the bridge.
That's floodboarding. That's the floodboarding.
Go and throw it then. Should we go on in? If you go on in, we've got to climb over like this. Ready? Come on in. Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah, you bet. Should we go back in then and see?
How do you go actually in? Can we have a dog?
So you want a dog, do you? Want a nice dog like this one?
Yeah.
Let's just go in and see Mummy then.